Right, here we go again. Second attempt at MOT. I think I've fixed everything, but I guess we'll find out. No dragging brakes. Oh, the ABS lights come on again. Ah, back to the house. So here we are again. ABS fault diagnosis time. Now what I can't remember is from the last video whether it was the rear left or rear right sensor that was showing a fault. I know that it was the rear right one that I changed. Part of me is slightly concerned that I don't know my left from my right and I changed the wrong one. But nonetheless, it was the rear left sensor that was throwing a fault when I plugged in input this morning on the USB. So up on the jack stands, pulled the other sensor out of the bin in case that was what was causing the issue, and swapped it in for this one. Still throwing an error. So disconnected the cables, used some crocodile clips and jumper cables and all sorts to allow me to do a continuity test. Continuity absolutely fine from sensors to ABS module, so there's nothing wrong there. So that suggests that somehow both ABS sensors failed, or the ABS module itself has failed. I do have a spare ABS module, I think, in the lockup, but I can't get to the lockup very easily at the moment because my wife and kids are out with the family car and this one's obviously not on the road yet, which I thought it would be by today. So I can't swap the ABS module out, and that would be a pain in the butt if I had to, because I'm going to spray these all down with WD-40 now, just in case. But let's hope it's not the ABS module that's gone. I also can't get to the spare ABS sensors, the used ones admittedly, that are in the back of the car unless I cycle over there in 30-degree heat. Obviously it's hot on the worst possible day. So that leaves me with trying to buy a new one. Of course there are none for sale locally, and the earliest I can get one is tomorrow. So a bit stuck right now. So frustration update. Tried swapping in the old sensor, same error. I know that the other side was clearly bad because I've tried both sensors now and I'm still getting the error on the left side. Tested continuity, there's nothing wrong with the wiring. So it's either bad ABS module, which I think is unlikely, possible, but unlikely, or I basically had two bad sensors at the back. And I've got no choice now but to replace it. Don't have a lot of options for getting a replacement sensor today, so I'm probably just going to sit on my arse now and wait until I can get a car, or wait for one to be delivered. I have ordered one online because I'm going to be refurbing a whole back end at some point to swap in, so I might as well have a spare. We shall see.